Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a second Instagram account. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then you need to log in your account you want to delete. So after that, click on your profile image button to open your profile, and then at the top right click on the three lines button. Here it is, and then the first one option, account center. Then click on the personal details under accounts settings topic, here it is, and then click on the last option, account ownership and control, and then the second one option, deactivation or deletion. Then you need to choose your second account you want to delete. For example, in my situation, this is my second account, and then click on the second option, delete account, and then continue button. Then you will see this list of reasons why you want to delete your account. You need to choose one of them, for example, too many ads, and then click on the continue button. Here it is, then continue again. After that, you need to enter your password and then click on the continue button, and then click on the delete account button. So after that, your account will be deleted, but if you change your mind, you will be able to recover your account in 30 days. And that's all, and that's how to delete a second Instagram account. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.